Which game engine changed the industry forever? Let's travel through time to see how game development evolved from 1993 to 2025. In this video, we're exploring the rise and dominance of the most popular game development engines over 3 decades. From the early days of ID Tech and Unreal Engine, to the explosive growth of Unity and the open source revolution with Godot and others. Watch how user numbers evolved across the years. Whether you're a game developer, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about how your favorite games are made, this timeline will blow your mind.